Hey, people are going crazy about Cloud Code, and here's me trying it out so that you don't have to. Our journey starts here at Google and just type Cloud Code. Just click on the second link that you get. I don't know why it's the second, but just click it. You'll find yourself into this interface. You'll have a command to run so that you can install I can say the CLI tool. So I'll just copy it, open my terminal, and here we are. So I'll just paste that one and maybe try to explain it because my network is slow. So we have npm node package manager install. We are just telling the node package manager to install something. We're passing a flag g, which means flag global. So this tool will be installed globally, meaning it won't be reliant on a specific package JSON to use it, and that's good. Then the tool that we are installing. Once we have the Cloud Code CLI installed, I think what we need to do is just type Cloud. So it's something like Cloud, and we have the CLI activated, and here we are. So I'll just have to choose what I want to use, and of course we will have to check dark mode. And then I think this is the billing subscription or something. Yes, so they're telling me I need to pay $20 a month or $100 a month, and that's okay. So I'll just select that, and then I will authorize it to use my own account because I'm already paying for cloud. They're instructing me to build something great, and I will. We will. Yes. So let me just click enter. Here are some warnings. It can make mistakes, of course. Even people do make mistakes due to prompt injection risks. Use it with code you trust. Okay, there's something already called prompt injection. I didn't know that. Okay, if you have been coding for some time, you already know things like XSS, but this new, I didn't know it. And thank you, Anthropic, for pointing that one out. Then enter to continue. Okay, yes, I'm lazy. I'll just use recommended settings and we proceed. Cloud Code may read files, of course. Okay, let's proceed. And now here we are. This is the interface. So I'll just create it. Steven, okay. Hello, how can I help you today? Okay, so if you want to see me building something with it, just wait for, I can say, some hours, and we love something to build with this. Or we can just build something live in some few minutes, I don't know. Or we can just do both. Why not both? Okay, we'll just go live trying to do things that you guys request, and then from there I'll create a full review for me building something that I want to use with it, because I think from what I've seen people use for this, it's pretty epic. So sorry guys, this video was becoming long, and so yes, let's meet in the next video.